watch the breakdown.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. I'm JessTheDragoness, and make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks on all the affordable synthetic wigs. Alright you guys, today I'm sharing with you a wig from It's a Wig. This one is called Sundance. It was sent to me by Sam's Beauty, so thank you so much Sam's Beauty for sending this one over. This is a wig that I did try out previously. I went to the launch party for It's a Wig, and I did try this one and I literally fell in love with it. So when I saw it was available on the site, I had to snatch it up. I did get this one in the color caramel. So yeah, this wig is gorgeous. It's a light wavy unit. If you like the unit that I'm rocking right now, I'll leave a link to the review up there, but make sure you finish watching this one first. So I love the deep roots in this unit. I love the parting space. I really love the lightweight texture of this unit. It is a light yaki texture and I'm loving it. I also love that this unit does have like a long bang on the side, so you do get a little bit of layers, and the unit is about 20 inches in total. So when you first pop her on, she definitely feels snug, but I do believe that this unit is, you know, medium head friendly. If you do have a larger size head, I do believe you can fit her. You just have to open your adjustable straps all the way, but she's definitely fitting me perfectly. I went ahead and added some powder into the parting space just to define it a little bit more. I ran my fingers through the curls and literally she was ready to go. I did decide to add some baby hairs as well, but that step is definitely optional because you can see this wig looks bomb, just like it is right now. If you guys have questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. I am making it a point to respond to every single comment, you guys. We've made it to 25,000 subscribers, so I'm definitely going to do better about keeping in touch with you guys. And the best way to reach me is not only in the comment section down below, but on Instagram and Facebook as well. On there, it's just at JessTheDragoness, so make sure that you guys follow me over there. Alright you guys, I love you so much. If you have questions for me, leave it in the comments. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, you subscribe to this video, and make sure you share it with one of your wig wearing besties. Alright you guys, stay tuned for the slow-mos, and I'll see you in the next one.